This is a tutorial for Trimble SiteVision. For more information on this product, visit sitevision.trimble.com or contact your local dealer. Welcome to this setup tutorial for the SiteVision pole mount hardware configuration. This video will go over what you need for this configuration, assembling the pole mount hardware, attaching the mounting plate to your device, setting up the mobile app, and connecting your mobile device to the receiver. Your Trimble Catalyst DA2 box comes with a Catalyst DA2 receiver, a battery pack mount strap, and a pole cap. You will also need a pole or pole extension piece, one magnetic mounting clamp for a mobile phone or two for a larger tablet, a battery pack or power bank, and a mobile device. This section will go over assembling the pole mount hardware configuration. To attach the receiver to the pole, first screw the pole cap onto the pole. Then firmly press the DA2 receiver onto the pole cap. Attach the two battery straps to the main plastic mounting piece using the square hole in the center of each strap. You can now use the mounting strap to attach your power source. One half of the mounting strap attaches onto the pole. The other half secures your power source in place on the pole. It is recommended to plug in the power bank with the connector port facing downwards to protect from the weather. The device mounting clamp can be attached between the power bank and the pole. You may need to adjust the power source to ensure that it does not obscure the camera feed. This section will go over attaching the device mounting plate to your mobile device. For a mobile phone or small tablet, you will need one device mounting plate. For a larger tablet, you will need two mounting plates spaced vertically on the tablet. We recommend attaching the mounting plate via a rugged phone case such as an OtterBox. To ensure that the mounting clamp does not obscure the camera feed, a minimum separation of 1.25 inches or 3 centimeters is recommended between the center of your device's camera and the top edge of the mounting plate. Carefully peel off the backing paper from the plate. Make sure that the plate is straight with the edges aligned parallel to the edges of the phone, and then press the plate firmly in place. You should wait at least 1 hour before use to ensure secure adhesion. You can now easily snap your device into place on the pole mounting clamp. This section will go over downloading and setting up the mobile app. Download the Trimble SiteVision app from your phone's application store. The app is available for both iOS and Android. Please grant the system permissions requested by the app and take a moment to read through the terms and conditions. When logging into the app for the first time, you will need to be connected to the internet. You can then sign in using your subscribed account. Remember that for your safety, it is important to stay aware of your surroundings while using the app. Once you have signed into the app, you will be prompted to select your hardware configuration. Please select the pole configuration. You will then be asked to input your camera offset values to complete your hardware setup. These values are the distances between your device's active camera and the receiver. First, measure from the center of your camera to the center of the pole. This is your X offset. Next, measure from the center of your camera to the top of the receiver. This is your Y offset. And finally, measure from the back of your device to the center of the pole. This is your Z offset. When inputting these values, it can be easier to use the international feet or metric unit settings. We recommend remeasuring your camera offsets once a month to ensure continued accuracy. This section will go over Bluetooth pairing your mobile device with the receiver. Make sure your receiver is connected to your power source and tap the Bluetooth icon in the configuration dialog. For iOS devices, you should both pair and connect to your DA2 receiver from the Bluetooth settings page and then return to the SiteVision app. For Android devices, you should pair with your DA2 receiver from the Bluetooth settings page and then return to the SiteVision app. Once you have returned to the app, wait for a few seconds and the receiver will automatically connect. When your device has successfully Bluetooth paired with the receiver, you will see that the round blue light on the underside of the receiver stops flashing. You have now completed the setup process and you are ready to take your pole mount hardware configuration into the field. This is the end of this Trimble SiteVision tutorial. You can find more videos about Trimble SiteVision on our YouTube channel.